Hello children, today is the 17th of April. Let's start our classwork. Today we will start a new topic. It is International Adventures on page 101. So look at this photo and tell me please, where are the holidays photos from? From what countries are they from? Okay, tell me please, which countries are these capital cities in? Athens, Stockholm, Beijing, Amsterdam, Copenhagen, Pretoria. Okay, let's check. I think that you answer these questions. So, these photos are from London. Here you can see the tower, yes, the Tower Bridge. This photo is from St. Petersburg, yes, Winter Palace. New York, the Statue of Liberty, and Paris, the Eiffel Tower. So, what are the capitals? Yes, Athens is the capital of Greece, Stockholm is the capital of Sweden, Beijing is the capital of China, Peking, Amsterdam is the capital of the Netherlands, Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark, Pretoria is the capital of South Africa. So, and can you write a country for every letter of the alphabet? Try to do it yourself. Next, today we'll speak about different means of transport, different kinds means of transport. So let's revise them. Before it, let's look at this funny poem and try to complete them. In them you can see. In there you can see. There is on the rails. Okay, let's complete and read this poem. So in the street you can see buses, cars and a taxi. In the sky there is a plane. On the rail there is a train. So let's read correctly. A plus I, звук A. Rail, train, main. So let's revise the topic transport. So how often do you travel using these types of transport? Try to tell me. Car, bus, train, boat, plane, bike. How often? So now let's match the pictures with these words. So here you can see the answers. Hot air balloon, moped, underground, 4 coach, number 5 motorbike, number 6 barge, number 7 tram, 8 on foot, 9 cable car, 10 ferry. So let's repeat after the dictator these words.
Unit 8, Vocabulary 1, Exercise 2, 1,
balloon,
2,
moped,
3,
the underground,
4,
coach,
5,
motorbike,
6,
barge,
7,
tram,
8,
on foot,
9,
cable car,
10.
ferry.
Okay, so let's revise these words once again. So, plane. Here you can see a plane. Tell me please, how often do you travel by plane? For example, I travel by plane once a year. A train. So, how often do you travel by train? Try to answer this question. Next, a van. Новое слово для вас. Van, да? This is van. A bus. So, how often do you travel by bus? A double-decker bus or a coach, да? Другое название слова coach новое для вас, да? Double-decker, то есть двухэтажный автобус, либо coach. Следующее, next, an airship. Here you can see an airship. A helicopter. A ship. A spaceship. A boat. A car. a bicycle, a motorcycle or motorbike, the underground, a hot air balloon, a ferry, a tram, a barge, a moped, a cable car, on foot, yes, on foot. So divide these words into three groups: traveling by sea, да, по морю, traveling in the sky, traveling on land. Поехали. Plane. Here, train. Here, van. Here, double decker. Here, an airship. Here, a helicopter. Here, spaceship. Here, ship. Sea, a boat. Sea, a car. Land, a bicycle. Land, a coach. Land, a motorcycle. Land, underground, on land. So, how do you travel? So we use by with plane, car, train, van, bus, and so on. But when we say on foot, I go to school on foot. Not by, but on foot. Со словом foot мы используем предлог on. Со всеми остальными предлог by. So which transport do you prefer and why? For example, I prefer to go on foot because it's more comfortable to me. How do you? Tell me, please. So today we'll revise the degrees of comparison of adjectives, степени сравнения прилагательных, а именно positive, да, начальное слово без изменения, comparative and superlative. I know that you know them. Once again. So, positive. Положительная степень – это просто слово прилагательное без изменений. Fast, big, popular, good, bad. Так, прилагательные в зависимости от степеней сравнения могут быть у нас что? Односложные и многосложные. Односложные – это два слога, которые заканчиваются на y. Если у нас прилагательная односложная, степени сравнения образуются при помощи суффиксов. Если многосложные, при помощи слов. Каких суффиксов? Если односложная, это er в сравнительной, est в превосходной, обязательно артикль the. Fast, faster, the fastest, big, bigger, the biggest. Если слово у нас закрытый слог, перед ним стоит гласная, последняя буковка удваивается. Если у нас слово многосложное, мы добавляем слова. В сравнительное слово more, а в превосходной the most. Popular, more popular, the most popular. Есть слова исключения, а именно good, bad, ну и так далее. Там less, little и тому подобное. Good, better, the best, bad, worse, the worst. So compare these three kinds of transport. Compare it. Okay, you may say, the car is big, the bus is bigger, the ship is the biggest. Могу сказать про heavy, да? A car is heavy, the bus is heavier, тяжелее, the ship is the heaviest. Okay, clean, cleaner, the cleanest, dangerous, more dangerous, the most dangerous, cheap, cheaper, the cheapest. You may use these words. Revise them, да? Еще раз вспомнили их. Now, compare the types of transport. Use the comparative forms of the adjectives in brackets. Car, motorbike, dangerous. I think motorbikes are more dangerous than cars. Okay, coaches, buses. I think coaches are faster than buses. I think hot air balloons are more exciting than cable cars. I think mopeds are slower than motorbikes. I think cars are more expensive than bikes. I think ferries are more comfortable than barges. Да? Тут как бы другие варианты, я свои предложила. Так, match 5 words from exercise 1 with descriptions. Да, описание, что это, к чему относится. This is often used to carry people up the side of mountains. It's cable, да, cars. This boat usually travels on canals. What is it? It's a ferry or it's a barge. We will check it. Try to read them. This travels silently through the air. This travels through cities and towns on rails, but not through the tunnels. This is a large boat that often carries cars and people. So here you can see these variants: cable car, barge, hot air balloon, tram, and ferry. So next, the cheapest, the most expensive, the fastest, slower, safer, the most dangerous. Try to make your own sentences using the different ways of transport. Пробуйте создать различные типы предложений, используя степени сравнения данные, используя различные виды транспорта. Например, I think the car is the most dangerous way of transport. I think tram is slower than a car, и так далее. So, how do you travel? Try to answer this question. How do you travel to school? For example, as for me, I travel to school on foot. How often do you travel by train? I travel by train once a year, for example. How do you travel when you go on holiday? I travel by plane when I go on a holiday. Which types of transport in the pictures do you never use? I never use capable car. I never use it. So now let's so here you can see let's listen and repeat the words with the sounds b and v. So let's
Unit
listen.
8. Pronunciation. Exercise A.
Okay.
B.
B,
Bike.
bike,
Barge.
barge,
Balloon.
balloon,
V. Vienna.
Vienna,
Venice.
Venice,
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Now write down the words in order that you hear them, да, в той последовательности, в которой вы их слышите.
Unit 8. Pronunciation. Exercise B.
busy, vote, boat, visit, bus, very.
Okay, what words do you hear? So the first word was busy, then it was vote, then it was boat, visit, bus, и very. The last word was very. So let's go to your home task. So you have many exercises, but I think that are very easy. So let's do with this one. On these pictures you should count how many cars, trains, buses and planes are there. Посчитать и написать, да, сколько вы видите машинок, cars, trains, buses, planes. Да, и затем их расписать в порядке от самых быстрых к самым медленным. То есть, например, да, самый быстрый я считаю это one, да, planes это one, то есть здесь у нас planes, то есть 1, 2, 3, 4 у вас будет четвертое, третье, второе, первое, допустим, так. Дальше найти 7 слов транспорта, еще в этом квадратике их выписать. Следующее, дополнить предложение, используя слова из рамочки. И последнее, дополнить предложение этими предлагательными. Обратите внимание, не нужно ли там делать степени сравнения. So, see you next week. Goodbye. Good work.